I am Annalise and I'm a part of Fusion Fitness, and today I'm going to be doing a samba workout with you. Remember to work at your own pace and just have lots of fun. Let's go! Let's go to the side. And round. To the side. And round. Stay here, we're going to go shoulders. And back. Come forward. Oh, you're looking good. And back. Back to our chorus, let's go. Side. And round. And round. Other way. Oh, feel the stretch in your shoulders. Back to our chorus, let's go. Turn around. We're going to stay here, we're going to up, side and down. Oh, you're looking good. Really stretch. Oh, keep going.
Do the warm up with a few more stretches. We're going to start by rolling the shoulders back. I'm going to bring them forward. We're going to take the head to the right and to the left, down to the floor, up to the ceiling. You're going to reach up and to the side, to the side. Really push into the floor as you're doing this. You should really feel that stretch in the side of your body. Just really enjoy the movement. We're going to stay here and we're going to reach over. I'm going to reach down to the leg. I'm going to reach over to the left. And down to the left leg. And go back to our reaching up. And back to the side. We're going to stay here and we're going to stretch the legs. Then we're going to swap the weight onto the back leg and bring that front foot up. We're then going to do the same again on the opposite side of the body. We're going to stretch those legs. transfer the weight onto the back leg and lift that foot up. Remember, you can keep it on the floor if you need to, however much you need to stretch. And we're going to arch over and feel that nice stretch in our back. We're going to go back to our reaches to the side. Should be feeling nice and warm now. We're almost there. We're just going to warm up the waist. And we're going to go the other way around. I'm going to do the upper body. Other way.
And today I'm going to do a basic samba breakdown with you, and then we're going to put it into a routine. So let's get started with the samba breakdown. So we're going to start by bending the legs. We're going to go front and back, front and back, looking good. I'll turn to the side so you can see the same. Simple front and back, front and back. Oh, you're looking good. Now we're going to add a little bounce. Let's go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I'll show from the side. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Oh, you're looking good. Now we're going to start to add the arms. We're going to sway and sway, sway and sway. Oh, nice and gentle. And we're going to add a bit more flavour with the hips. Oh, you're looking good. Oh, now we're going to really bounce into those hips and slightly bring the foot off the floor. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Oh, you're looking good. Oh, keep going. Now we're going to turn around. Let's go this way. Other way now. Gonna go to the side. Let's go. Other way now. You're gonna come to me, let's go. Oh, you're looking good. And I'm gonna come to you, let's go. Oh, I feel like I'm at the carnival. I don't know about you guys. Come back to me now, let's go. Keeping those arms nice and delicate. Imagine you've got the feathers on. I'm gonna come to you again. Oh, we're almost there. We're going to start with the side. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. I'll show you from the side. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now we're going to add the arms. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I'll show you from the side. start with a single, single, double. Let's go. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. I'll show you from the side. Let's have the arms. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. And the hips. Let's go. I'll show you from the side. Let's go. Let's go round. Single, single, double. Single, 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 double. Other way now. Put those hips back in and them arms. Oh, you're looking good. Now let's slow it down. We're going to go single, single, crunch and down. And again now, single, single, crunch and down. Single, single, crunch and down. And again now, single, single, crunch and down. Other leg now, single, single, crunch and down. Single, single, crunch and down. And again now, single, single, crunch and down. And again now, single, single, crunch and down. Let's speed it up. Single, single, double. Oh, we're looking good. We're almost there.
Put all the moves we've learnt into a routine. Let's start. We're going to work our way up and we're going to start with the basic samba we've just learned. We want to make sure we're putting our flavour in it. Feel like we're at the carnival. You just want to have fun when you're doing this. We're going to stay here and do our side. We're going to turn it around. And the other way. We're going to stay here now. Are we ready? Going to go to our samba lunge. Back to our side arms. To our samba lunge. We're going to stay here. We're going to samba back and turn. Samba forwards and turn. Samba back and turn. Samba forwards and turn. It's now time to start cooling down.
Start with a gentle sway. Keep the arms nice and delicate. Let's go up. And back down. Just nice and gentle. And we're going to bring it here, we're going to stretch over. Slowly roll it down and up to the other side, and we're going to do the same on this side. Hold here, then we're going to roll it round, and we're going to put our head to the left. Let's go. We're going to keep it here and I'm going to look to the opposite side. I'm going to look down to the floor. And up to the sky. And let's roll those shoulders. We can add a little sway here. Nothing too much, just nice and gentle. And forwards. And backwards. And forwards. Now we're going to bring that arm across the body. We're going to hold the stretch here. And over to the other side, let's go. And we're going to bring that arm behind the back. Stretching the side of the arm. And swap. We're going to reach over to the side, but we're going to cross our leg over. Oh, it's a nice stretch. I'm going to do the same on the other side. We're going to take the back foot back. Feel that stretch, making sure our feet are facing forwards. Then we're going to transfer that weight onto the back leg and lift up that foot leg. You can take the foot and leg off the floor if you want to, or you can keep it down. And then we're going to swap legs. Make sure those feet are facing forwards. Feel that nice stretch in your back. Swap the leg onto the back leg. Bring that foot up. Stretch our quads. Don't forget, if you need to hold on to the side, that's fine. Just put that front of your leg. Going to swap legs. Going to take some nice deep breaths. Well, I hope you enjoyed the session today. We learnt some samba moves. I hope you felt like you was at the carnival and you had a good workout. Don't forget to check out our other videos on our website and our YouTube, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!